I'm Jill, and welcome to another Phonetic Sounds video. Today, I'm under the train tracks because the sound that we're focusing on today is A, like train tracks. So the sound we're focusing on, A, is pronounced just like the first letter of the English alphabet, A. But the symbol we use to represent this sound is a small E and a capital I pushed together like this. So the sound A is a diphthong. A diphthong is two vowel sounds pushed together to make a single sound. So in this case it's the sound E and I, A, A. So we make this sound. We move our mouth during the sound because we're moving from one sound to another. So our mouth is open in a kind of smile, and we move our lips together a little bit as we make this sound. A, A. So let's look at some words that have the A sound in them. Train, train. Alien, alien. Eight, eight. Snake, snake. And here's a limerick to practice the sound A. There was an old man of Moldavia who had the most curious behaviour, for while he was able he slept on a table, that funny old man of Moldavia. There was an old man of Moldavia who had the most curious behaviour, for while he was able he slept on a table, that funny old man of Moldavia. Of course, the sound A might look like this, but as you know, in English, spelling and pronunciation don't always match. So let's take a look at some spelling versus pronunciation. So let's take a look at some words that all have the sound A in them, but they all have different spelling to represent that sound A. Apron, apron. Tail, tail. Pray, pray. Reindeer, reindeer. But let's get back to the sound A. And here's another phrase that's a very famous phrase from a movie and also a song, My Fair Lady. The movie is very old, but the phrase endures as a way to practice the sound A. So in the movie, the lady is trying to improve her pronunciation, her English pronunciation, and this phrase is helping her to practice the sound A. The rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain. The rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain. I hope you enjoyed this video and learnt a little more about the sound A in English. I'm making videos for all the phonetic sounds in English, so you can find them either on my YouTube channel or on the Study HQ Cairns website in Jill's English Pronunciation Gym. So the idea is, the pronunciation gym is like a regular gym. If you go regularly, a little bit of practice each day, your muscles will strengthen and your pronunciation will improve. So head over to Jill's English Pronunciation Gym for an English workout today. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you next time.